welcome to the Stu Team's brand new listing. And you know what? We're in the city, but we're out here in this country-like setting, cottage-like, pie-shaped backyard. We're in Scarborough Cliffcrest. We're south of Kingston Road. We're close to Bluffers Park, Scarborough Bluffs. You can go down there. There's the lake, sandy beach, picnic areas, or you can just sit in this gorgeous backyard. Where are you gonna get this in the city of Toronto? This lot is huge. It's got apple trees, fruit trees, all this area if you wanna have a home garden. The kids run around and play. You know what? This home is super cool, super funky. You're gonna love it when you walk in. There's so many really neat details and designs. It's a raised bungalow, 2 bedrooms, open concept living dining room, really cool kitchen with stainless steel counters, hardwood floors, great little details, and the best thing about it is a raised bungalow. So the basement's got great height. I'm 6'4" and I can do jumping jacks down there. It's got a separate entrance, kitchen, full bathroom, above grade windows, lots of lights, so it's a great nanny suite, in-law suite. You can make it a rental. We've got a private drive, 2 great sized bedrooms on this main floor, front porch, this backyard. The light rail train on Eglinton is just minutes away. Funky little cool shops and restaurants on Kingston Road, big box stores. This is the place to be. You're kind of close to the city, but you feel like you're in the country. So go to stewsells.ca, see all the photos, virtual tour, video, and call me Stu for a private showing.